Good day, my viewer. My name is Olagunju Joshua, a chemical analyst working with Federal Institute of Industrial Research, Lagos, Nigeria. In this video, I would love to teach you how to prepare standard sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium carbonate solution. Rather, sodium carbonate solution is a solution that can be used to standardize other chemical through reagents in the laboratory and industry. So without wasting time, this time around, I'll be taking 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution, sodium carbonate solution. We'll be preparing 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution. First of all, when we talk about standard solution, don't forget I said sodium carbonate standard solution. When we talk about standard solution, what do we mean? Standard solution means solution of known concentration. Solution that its concentration has been determined. That's the meaning of standard solution. So we'll be taking 0.1 molar as the concentration of the sodium carbonate that we prepared. So we're going to the preparation of 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution. So in order to prepare this sodium carbonate solution, 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution, some apparatus will be needed. Among the apparatus that will be needed, number one is our standard flask. 1 liter standard flask. 1 liter or 1 ml standard flask. Another one is our wash bottle. These are our distilled water. These are funnel. Our beakers, spatula, petri dish. These are our salt, our sodium carbonate salt. While our oven is over there. Oven and our desiccator. So first of all, how do you know? We need to weigh a certain amount of the salt, of the sodium carbonate salt into the beaker. We dissolve it in the beaker and then transfer into our standard flask. Now, how do you know the amount? How do you know the amount of the sodium carbonate salt to be weighed and poured and transferred and dissolved in 1 liter distilled water? First of all, you need to know the amount. You need to know the amount of the salt. Amount of the salt needed to prepare 1 molar. After getting the amount of the salt needed to prepare 1 molar, you now divide it by 10. Divide the amount by 10. Now, we'll be able to get the amount needed. We'll be able to get the amount needed to prepare 1 molar from this formula. Let's look at the formula. The formula is molarity. Molarity, which is M, that stands for molar. Molarity is equal to mass over molar mass. Over molar mass. Mass over molar mass. That means for us to get 1 molar sodium carbonate, the amount of mass, the weight of the sodium carbonate that must be weighed must be equivalent to molar mass of the salt. Must be equivalent to the molar mass of the salt. Now, let's calculate the molar mass of the salt. What is the molar mass of the sodium carbonate? Let's calculate it. The chemical formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. The atomic mass of sodium is 23. That of carbon is 12. That of oxygen is 16. So let's continue with the calculation of our molar mass. So that is 23 times 2 plus 12 plus oxygen times 16 times 3. 23 times 2, that is 46, plus 12, plus 16 times 3, that's 48. So summation of all this will give us 106 grams per kilo. DMP is also equivalent to 1 liter. Once say DMP, we are also referring to 1 liter. Now, that means for us to get 1 molar sodium carbonate, 1 molar concentration of sodium carbonate, 106 gram of the sodium carbonate must be weighed and dissolved in 1 liter. But this time around, we are not asked to prepare 1 molar. We are asked to prepare 0.1 molar. In this video, we are preparing 0.1 molar. Now,